When evaluating Apple's service-driven revenue streams, AppleCare stands out as a critical element. It's not just an extended warranty. AppleCare represents a strategic initiative that bolsters customer retention, enhances brand loyalty, and significantly contributes to Apple's services revenue. AppleCare is an essential tool for increasing customer lifetime value, offering comprehensive protection for accidental damage, technical support, and hardware repairs. It extends beyond typical warranties. This encourages users to stay within the Apple ecosystem for longer, reinforcing the stickiness of Apple's product line. When a customer purchases AppleCare, they're not just buying protection, they're investing in confidence, knowing they have direct access to Apple's certified service. Compared to third-party insurance or standard warranties, AppleCare provides unique advantages. Competitors like SquareTrade or Geek may offer similar protection, but they can't match the speed, convenience, and genuine Apple parts provided by Apple's global service network. AppleCare strengthens the Apple brand by delivering faster, more reliable service while offering lower deductibles and fewer restrictions. AppleCare is a driver of convenience. Customers have access to Apple-certified repair centers and Genius bars across the globe, ensuring service is timely and trustworthy. AppleCare Plus further enhances this with up to 2 incidents of accidental damage coverage annually, and providing even more reassurance for consumers and reducing friction points in the ownership experience. From a financial perspective, AppleCare plays a crucial role in driving services revenue growth, which has become an increasingly important segment for Apple. As hardware sales fluctuate, services, including AppleCare, offer a more stable revenue stream. Customers who purchase AppleCare are also more likely to remain engaged with other Apple services, creating cross-selling opportunities for products like iCloud and Apple One subscriptions. AppleCare Plus offers up to 3 years of coverage, significantly extending the device lifecycle. This not only provides peace of mind for users, but it also increases brand loyalty as customers continue to engage with the Apple ecosystem for repairs, replacements, and technical support. As Apple broadens its product lineup, AppleCare has the potential to be a long-term revenue growth engine. When comparing AppleCare Plus to third-party insurance options, the difference is clear. While alternatives may provide coverage, Apple's direct support network and genuine parts give it a competitive advantage, making it the preferred option for consumers who value convenience, trust, and seamless service. This positions AppleCare to not only secure customer loyalty, but also reduce churn, further locking customers into the Apple ecosystem. AppleCare is more than just a protection plan. It's a strategic asset for Apple, driving both customer satisfaction and revenue growth. As Apple continues to expand its portfolio, AppleCare will remain a critical driver of long-term profitability by enhancing customer loyalty, ensuring device longevity, and increasing recurring revenue.